struggling with words when you try to read a passage? Do words impede your understanding when you try to comprehend what author wants to say in a passage? Are you always confused about the meaning of benevolent, belligerent, and bombastic? If your answer to these questions is yes, then I have a feasible solution for you, which is going to put a stop to all these problems at once. Vocab Booster Session, a dedicated session for vocabulary building on channel IPMAT by LPT every day at 5 p.m. As you know, in IPMAT, every year you will find around 15 to 16 questions solely from vocabulary, synonym, antonym, analogy, fill in the blank, idiom and phrases. All these questions require you to have a firm grip on words, not only their meaning, but also their usage, their collocation, and their connotations. So this session is going to be of immense help for excelling in this part of IPM. So what are you waiting for? Let's join me on Monday at 5 p.m. See you all.